Assalamu alaikum sir, I am Sheikh Salman from Jibuli department. Welcome to our presentation. Our project title is about fire alarm system. This topic is assigned by our honorable faculty Joeb Mohammad Tanzir Said sir. There are 5 members in our group. Other members are Ontoshorkar Bondhon, Snashish Shaha, Durjoroy Dipto and Jubair Al Amin Siam. Slide is about project analysis. Project analysis, introduction, equipment, design, implement, simulation and hardware testing. We can see in this slide objective. This project will send an alert whenever detects fire, and it has also connected with a buzzer and an LED which will act as audio and visual for indication for alert. So let's quickly start building fire security alarm system. Now I am talking about introduction. A fire alarm system consists a number of devices network and operate together in order to warn people of a building during any sort of emergencies. The system also includes a number of fire protection system and fire resistance system. Now I am requesting to my group member Andosharkar Bondhon to present his slide.
Thank you, Sheikh Salman, and I am Akshar Banglan from People Development. And in this project, whenever there is a fire, the fire detection sensor is active. And you can see in the diagram, the fire detection sensor, the sensor would short the point VCC and base of the transistor. When both are short, a positive voltage will be applied on the base of the transistor. Because of the voltage at the base, the transistor will on and a current is studying from the current is the flow from the collector to the emitter. And however, the power supply of a 9 volt battery pass the voltage, and when the fire detection detect the fire, the transistor get the voltage. That's why buzzer and LED will on, and otherwise transistor will off, and that's why LED and the buzzer both are turn off. Yeah, we consider the temperature of atmosphere is around 27 Celsius, and then the resistance of atmosphere is high, so the voltage across the transistor is also high. And we do the basic Ohm's law, which is V equal to right.
Hello sir, I am Durjoy Dipto. Now I am talking about application. There are four applications. The first, home security system. The home security system is used modern house and smart house. Fire carbon system are required in most commercial building and are installed to protect life and property. School and college labs. School and college labs with now bags in season. Parents and teacher and like are constantly thinking about the safety of the students since once they in the classroom. Parents and trust that the teacher administrator will keep their children safe at all times while they are in the classroom. Then industrial. Industrial use the fire alarm and the red and D cells. Now I am talking about advantage. There are four advantages. First of all, sanctioning of the fire easily. A fire alarm system installed in your home and building is that it gives you peace of mind. Not only does it provide clearly warning in the event of the fire, but it also allows you to take the appropriate action before it's too late. Then the simple circuit. Fire alarm systems are also relatively simple to circuit and maintenance. Many modern systems come to wireless technology, making them it easy to install and configure without running anywhere through walls and ceilings. Then the low consumption. The new series characterized by the power consumption of the around 2 ampere. For the sound-only version, it available in wall and ceiling mount variations as well as the detector-based version, making of the life easily the professional install the institution, and it is the low cost. The fire alarm system has disadvantage. The no longer uses since nearby the fire heat and only and use continuous fire system. The no longer use that means this fire alarm system do not detect the longer user systems. It detect only nearby the fire. Since nearby the fire only, these sensors only use the near fire only. The use continuous power systems. These devices always continuously supply the power systems.
Now I talk about the findings or future scopes of our project, which is fire alarm system. In our project, it has to be overcome disadvantages and looking for implementation of automatic fire detection. Also, in that place, we use thermistor to use as a sensor. Here we use the speakers instead of thermistor with a warning message and audio alert signal, which becomes our project more useful. Now we talk about the project simulation. Here we see the whole project simulation in two parts. The first part is for fire detection, where we use a switch which become thermal resistance act like a switch. In the second part, when thermal resistance is activated, then the switch is closed, which becomes the buzzer to be on. Here we see in simulation, here is a op-amp with a transistor along with resistors, potentiometers and capacitors. Here we also watch power supply, which is 9 volt, which we assume for the simulation. Now we see the project overview. In a breadboard, we designed the project as a circuit diagram. Here we see capacitors, some resistors, transistor along with a op-amp, and here we use a 6 volt buzzer. For complete and start this project, we here use a battery which supply the powers, and at last we watch our project as a successful one. That's all our project overview.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Zabar Alamin Siam. Thanks for the opportunity. Here is the conclusion part. A fire alarm is a device that detects the presence of fire and atmospheric changes retailing to smoke. The fire alarm operates to alert people to evacuate a location in which a fire or smoke accumulation present. Then, when functioning properly, a fire alarm will sound to notify people of an immediate emergency. Lastly, this distinct sound exists to allow the notification to be heard. The fire alarm constructed by this project work is reliable at low cost. Then the reference part. Reference is given from e-books fire alarm systems and training manual on fire alarm systems. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.